Okay, I've got an USB-C to HDMI cable from Choetech. I will try it on my HDTV and my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So I will connect this phone to my HDTV using this cable. And it's one of the thinnest braided USB Type-C to HDMI cables out there. So this should be very, very thin. But we start with looking at how it looks. Here in the box, a neat carrying case, as you can see. We have some instructions. Pretty cool. And we have the cable itself here. Very, very nice. As you can see, very good build quality. Looks nice in the package. Very good. And we have the cable itself here. And as you can see, it's a braided cable. Very, very thin to be a HDMI cable. I like that. And this cable supports 4K in 60 Hz. So 4K resolution, 60 Hz. That's pretty nifty. And here we have the HDMI connector. And in this end we have the USB-C, the USB Type-C connector. Pretty neat with a Choetech logo. Choetech logo there too. I will link down below in the description text where you can buy these. But let's see how this works to connect my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus to my HDTV. Okay, hang out. Okay, so now I've connected this cable to my HDTV on the back side. And here we have the USB Type-C end. And here we have my TV and my soundbar. Samsung soundbar, and here we have my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So let's connect it to the phone now to see if we get a picture on the television. And as you can see, immediately after connecting the connector to my phone, I get a picture on my television, as you can see. And let's see if I do it in landscape. And as you can see, the picture gets in landscape mode. You have a small bezel at the top and a small bezel at the bottom, but otherwise it looks kind of neat. I think the picture is a bit outside in the end, as you can see on the buttons, but all in all it looks good. Here we have the weather, for example. Pretty neat. So this is a very good cable. It works perfectly fine with my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and as I said, it supports 4K in 60 Hz, so that's pretty neat. So I'll link down below in the description text to where you can buy this cable. I highly recommend this cable. A bit short though, so I would have hoped a bit longer cable so I can use this from my bed, for example. But now it's a bit short, as you can see. But all in all, this is a really nice cable, so go check it out on the link. I completely forgot to show you how it looks when you have the sound too. Here is a video from my YouTube channel. As you can see and hear, the sound works perfectly fine through the cable. But as you can see, you get some ends and bottom and top in black, so not the full screen on the television. But I think that's because of the aspect ratio on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So that's probably why you see some black bars around the video too bad, but you can always change the resolution on your Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus to get rid of these bars, or use MX Player Pro, for example, and great video player app that you can zoom and so on the video. So there you go, you have the sound too through the cable, really easy. Okay, bye.